बांदोडकार गोल्ड ट्रॉफी फुटबॉल सर्तीत शुक्रारा पुणे एफसीन साळगांवकार एफसीक 4-8 एका गोलान मारले। ही साळगांवकाराची ह्या सर्तीतली पहिली हार। पुणेचो आशिक कुर्नियन मॅन ऑफ द मॅच थारलो। मॅच धुळेर स्टेडियमार जाली।
Football Association
First half, yes, they were lacking ideas. It was only in the second half I could give them the feedback how Salgaonkar is playing, and we could really work on the weaker links in the Salgaonkar midfield. Since they were playing 4-3-3, I could see a lot of space in the wings. So we started using the wings and we got the result.
संवसारीक मळार फुटसालाक खूप लोक पिशे, मात भारतांत अजून अशें चित्र ना। ते बदलचें म्हूण प्रीमियर फुटसाल कंपनी भारतांत लीग सुरू करतली। गोंया सयत 8 वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांत लिगाच्यो मॅची जातल्यो। गोंयच्या टीमीत गोंयकारांक वेचपाक 3 ते 5 जून मजगती मडगांवां ट्रायल जातली। भायल्या देशांतले प्लेयरूय लिगांत खेळटले। फुटसाल लिगाचो पयलो सीझन जुलयांत जातलो।
भारताचो खडेगांठ क्रिकेटर विराट कोहली आणि पुर्तुगालाचो आदलो पेजाद मिडफिल्डर लुईस फिगोच्या फुडारपणा खाला प्रीमियर फुटसाल भारतांत अस्तित्वांत आयला। सर्तीची माहिती दिवपाक प्रीमियर फुटसाल मॅनेजमेंटाचे एमडी दिनेश राजान शुक्रारा पत्रकार बसका घेतली।
So what we have made first time in the world, the legend footballer and the current futsaler, international futsaler and the Indian futsaler together are going to play. So that's the difference between any other futsal league which is happening, and that's the reason it's going to be telecasted worldwide, not only in India. It's going to be telecasted worldwide. And in terms of the legends, there are going to be one legend each team. There are 8 teams, and the international futsalers are going to be there. 3 futsalers are going to be there. Indian, 5 of them are going to be there. It's a 5-side, but it's a rolling substitute. Whenever the others gets tired or anything, they can keep changing. So this is how the squad is, and it is happening in 8 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Goa, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Kochi.
IPL T20तल्यान आयिल्लो फ्रँचायज फॉर्म्युला सगळेच तरेचे खेळ अजूनय घेत भारतांत स्पोर्ट्स एंटरटेनमेंट तयार करता हे या प्रीमियर फुटसाल लिगांतल्यान अजूनय दिसता।
Inspired by IPL because it's a 2020 version. So we see an international player play for 20 minutes, and another 20 minutes makes more fun. So
one of the founder members of Premier Futsal was associated with IPL as
so
well.
The executive director is the IMG managing director, ex-IMG managing director Balu Nair. So he is the founding member of IPL. So that's the thing. And in terms of this sport, any guy who spends 1 hour, he can watch a full game. Not even 1 hour, 50 minutes, he can come out.
प्रुडंटा खातीर खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी।
हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीचेरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। नमस्कार।